We're here, Burton-on-Trent, outside the Grill House restaurant. Old tight mate, Killy's over there. We crept checking. Okay, Jordan, ones. Over here by Lidl. So Lidl's there. We've got the Groski Mini Market, Grill House restaurant. Let's try the food. Let's try the food, bro. Beautiful establishment, man. Look at it. My man worked at my barber's. I'm starving, which makes a change. First impressions, man. I like it a lot as a restaurant. I think it looks pristine. Floors clean, tables clean, everything lock off. Everything's clean. I can't wait. Oh, I spat. Cut that, cut that.
So how did you hear about this place?
You told me. You told me about it. Tough picks on the table. Here we go. Is this lentil soup, brother?
Right.
Initial thoughts, a lot of turmeric, hence the yellow. Levels. Levels. That's so tasty, bro. Hold on, let me see what I can find. Chili, ginger, garlic,
Lentils.
turmeric. I ain't tasted no lentils, you know. Yeah, that's banging. It's a lot of it. I daren't not finish it, but we've got bare food coming. A strong 8 out of 10, you know. There's coconut milk in there. Look at this, is levels. Try it. Try it now. I've changed my mind.
What do you mean?
It's a 9, bro. Look, the whole thing gone. Mashallah. If anyone knows me knows, garlic chili is my thing. This, full of garlic and chili. What did you send me?
Me, I'll wait for you outside in the car. But you
Is this
take
Jamaican?
too long. You take
Is this
too long,
patois?
son. You take it too long. Now if we don't hurry, the chicken them gonna be out of date. And not gonna be edible anymore.
Not gonna be edible anymore.
Don't do weird things like that.
What? Do what I want.
You're like a lizard, bro.
My channel, innit? I was licking the lentils off my lips. Lentil lips. I love the music. I'm so hungry, bro. That soup's just left me like so hungry. Oh, brother! Oh my life. Wow.
Thank you, bro.
Where do you even begin? This looks incredible. Get my man here. Hold on a minute. Hold on, he's gone. He's gone. Taking a larger. We've got this, what looks like a face hugger. We've got wings. We've got some kind of lamb rib. Spice rice.
Chicken.
Plain rice. Chicken. Chicken shawarma. Roasted pepper. This looks banging. When the rest of it comes, we're gonna go in. We're gonna go in, bro. Oh my God. Yeah, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look how juicy that is, bro.
Go on.
I'm not even gassing, bro. It's incredible. Contains lamb. Marrow of the lamb. Salt and ton up. Here's my brother now.
Thank you, my bro.
Salad dips. We're getting looked after right now. I don't know, what's this on the bone here? It's a lamb rib. Wow. And naan.
Fresh.
Fresh naan. No, it's good. You can talk. You can talk. You can talk. Tell me, please. I'm new to this.
Okay.
I've tasted it. It's banging, bro. I need to know. I need to know what's what, bro. All of these, all of this. I need to know what's what.
This called what is it called?
Food.
Kebab. So this is lamb kebab with the wings, chicken breast, chicken shish, rice,
The ribs as
chicken
well, yeah?
shawarma, yeah, some of the ribs as well.
You man eat good, innit? You eat good. This is levels, bro.
So ketchup, mayo, hot chili, yogurt and
like a raita.
yogurt, garlic and cucumber. Plus hummus, I don't know, salad.
Crazy.
I think there's couscous under that as well.
Yeah, I think
yeah,
that's
yeah,
giant
yeah,
couscous
yeah.
under
Rice
there.
and couscous as well, yeah.
Okay.
The lamb shawarma in it as well, lamb and chicken shawarma.
This is levels, bro.
Yeah, bro, this is really nice.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's healthy, healthy food, isn't it? Yeah, he's got that look in it. Italian,
That's the
Italian cameraman.
No one knows, just me.
We're gonna feast, bro. Owen, Mr.
I think
Flava.
I've seen you somewhere, I don't know. I'm just
Yeah, probably. Now, this is a drink I've never had before. Ulgag Gazoo from Turkey. Oh, it's better than Fanta. Wow. Look, done half of it already.
Don't fill yourself up.
Not too sweet, not too harsh, just perfect. Film the blood clot something. Fresh naan, oh, fresh hummus. Oh. I ain't even gassing. It's levels, you know. Listen, I buy hummus all the time from Lidl and that. This is fresh, and I know it's fresh because I'm Mr. Flava. Let's check the rice because I'm yardy in it, so rice is important to me. Levels, face hugger on there. All my Alien fans know. Where do I start, bro?
Try that pepper actually. I want you to try it.
It's charred. It's like charred. For those who don't know, charred means where you put it over bare hot fire or coals. Look. Smoky paprika. Lovely. Tell black man about chicken wing, you know. Look at that. Bro. I don't know what it's marinated in. Little flecks of red. I'm guessing chili. Beautiful. Look at that. Straight off the bone. A real bad man. No messing. Couscous. Look at this as well. Come in, zoom in. This shawarma here, lamb by the looks of it. Oh, bro.
I'm getting hungry.
Fresh tomato.
You're making me hungry. What about this couscous? I need to hear this. Ooh.
Perfectly tender. Perfectly spiced. Texture of rice. Blood fire. I didn't even delved into the dip. Hey!
Calm down, bro.
This levels, bro. High. Sorry, I'm spitting. Top of the top, mate. I've tried a little bit of everything.
You try the lamb ribs.
Yeah.
Everything. The ribs. Oh my god. And what are them wings marinated in, bro?
Secret recipe.
Yeah, I thought it might be. Obviously, along with all this meat, you get this fresh, freezing cold salad.
Try
You
some
got
of the dip.
ribbons of cucumber, tomato, onion. I think this is red cabbage. Yeah, red cabbage. Kind of like coleslaw, hot and sour. Don't know what these dips are. That's like a raita. Before I delve into the dips and look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Juicy lamb. I'll tell you something. I've never ate lamb ribs before. These are mad. Look at that. How juicy they are. And then look, straight off the bone. No messing. How they're sweet. A man said it's all secret recipes, so I can't really divulge into what's in them, but right.
You defeated.
Bro, I'm more than defeated. I concede defeat to this monstrous feast of loveliness. We've had hummus, baba ganoush, raita, but the salad is so fresh, bro. Look how fresh that is.
Because we're about halfway down here. This is a platter for 2. How many do you think could actually feed?
Bro, I've ate 4 wings and 3 lamb ribs already. This could feed a family of 6, easy. And this drink, blood fire, it's something that turn up like Fanta. Fizzy bubbly. Like, Fanta had a baby with Ribena, which then had a baby crossbred with Heaven. That's what that is. It's gone. Best drink I've drank in a long time. That was the sickest meal. I'm not even gassing. I can't even move. There's 2 of us mentioned, and I'm talking all over the food. Sorry if cameraman wants to take it home, but there was 2 of us, and we've had soup, we've had naan, we've had dips, we've had salad, and look how much is left. We couldn't tackle it, and I starved myself all day for this review, you know. Couldn't handle it. I'm full, I'm satisfied, I'm light, and I'm ready to... Where even are we? I'm that full, I forgot where I am. Where am I? Grill house, kitchen, Burton.
What's that in your eyebrows?
Minanua here.
You got something in your eyebrows.
Furthermore, I don't know what to say. I want to shout it from the rooftops. I want everyone to know. Look at it, it's even cold. Look how juicy that thing is, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna take it home. I'm so food drunk, it's unreal. Do you know what's mad though? My belly's full, but I don't feel heavy. Like, I feel like I could run 5K right now. Like, it's good food, like just meat and rice and that. Who needs Finder's crispy pancakes? So fresh and so clean. Ain't nobody, don't ask me, I'm just so fresh and so halal. This place should be full now. Should be full of people now. Because I'm telling you, brother, that food was levels. 10-10. I couldn't fault it, brother. I couldn't fault it at all. Everything's seasoned perfect, like the wings to the bone is seasoned nice. So good I had to take it away. So we're leaving now. I've got my takeaway. I'm still wiping my lips from the Flava, missed the Flava. They offered us some complimentary tea, but I don't drink tea in it. So, as you know, I don't drink tea, so that comes with it as well. But can we go, man? Everyone that don't know, get to know. Hot Down Grill House Restaurant, right by the train station. Trust me, too much food to count, too much flavour to mention.
By the way, can I just tell you?
Yeah?
It's exclusive.
I got something in my teeth.
No. Guess how much the bill was?
How much?
27 quid. Like that.
Bro, we ate all that. It was 27 quid. Train station Dessa, Lidl. Anyone who knows Burton knows Lidl's there. Grill House Restaurant. 27 quid. And I'm going home with dinner for my family. It's mad. Oh, it's mad. She wants a man from Brooks. Bye, Flavour Chasers.